आमी ट्रॅफिक सिग्नल्स पेडें जंक्शनाक आयला आनी इतले दिसाक ते सिग्नल आसात म्हूण स्टार्ट केलें ना. आमी स्टार्ट केलें ना कित्याक आमचे म्हापशा ट्रॅफिक सेलाचें ऑब्जेक्शन आशिल्लें, कित्याक ते सिंक्रोनायजेशन पासत सिंक्रोनायज म्हणल्यार टायमींग, आनी ते टायमींग ते म्हणटाले 8 सिग्नल बसयले देखून 8 मिनटाचे एक मिनटां थांबयले जाल्यार 8 मिनटां जातले आनी 8 मिनटां म्हणल्यार सामकें लांब ट्रॅफिक जाम जातले, लायन जातले आनी तेंचे ही ऑब्जेक्शन आशिल्ली. आनी थोडे इश्यू पासून दुसरे आशिल्ले अबावट वन वे आनी सगळे देखून हांवें कितें डिसायड केलें, आमी फकत पिंग पॉंग जाताले. आमी उलयताले, ते सांगताले, ते प्रपोज दिताले, आमी सांगताले. हांवें चिंतलां की द बेस्ट रेजोल्यूशन कॅन बी बाय द डिस्ट्रिक्ट मॅजिस्ट्रेट विथ द कलेक्टर. So then I spoke to collector, asked for an appointment, and with all the agencies we have come here, the traffic cell, the MAPSA police traffic, the national highway, the RTO, the municipality. I had also informed Joshua, honorable MLA and deputy speaker, but he is out of the country, is returning back today. So we all had the meeting also with the residents who are being affected, and the meeting went very well. And the collector understood the issue, and the collector also understood the perspective of the traffic cell. So आता आमी हांव तो कट शॉर्ट करता, फकत आमी आतां डिसिजन कितें घेतलें तें तुमकां सांगता. डिसिजन घेयला की आतां ट्रॅफिक लायट आहात तेका सप्लाय दिवपाचो आनी स्टार्ट करपाचो ऑन अ ट्रायल बेसीस. कित्याक ट्रायल बेसीस स्टार्ट करता आसतना थोडे हिंगा थिंगा एडजस्टमेंट करूंक पडटा. सो एडजस्टमेंट करून मागीर आमगे बसता तेन्ना मागीर फायनल टेस्टींग करपाचें, इन्स्पेक्शन करून मागीर आमी चिंतले फुडें कितें व्हरपाक. सो आय थिंक दीस इज अ गूड बिगिनींग दॅट वी कॅन ट्राय टू स्टार्ट. हांव जाणा सगळे हॅपी आसनात म्हूण, कित्याक थोडे बेजार जातले, बट इट इज फॉर द ग्रेटर गूड ऑफ एवरी वन. इट इज पीपल कमींग फ्रॉम MAPSA side into Pede side, or people from Pede, Kamarkazan, Akoi coming across this side. So on both sides, I think this will be a major relief, and it will also, in my view, reduce slightly the burden of the MAPSA traffic police cells. कित्याक असं जाल्यार एशको सिग्नल जाल्यार then you have less traffic police, and it has to be less monitoring of it, except on signal तोडटा तो ताका दवरपाचो. So I think that this will be. There is also one thing which they have informed, that there is some illegal encroachment onto the road, which municipality official who was present, because the matters before municipality, has agreed to quickly check into it and take immediate action. So there should not be any encroachment on the highways or the roads. And Supreme Court even has said, in this bulldozer justice judgment, which you know, the famous one, they have said that this will not apply to the matters where there are encroachments on public streets and all this. But I still feel whoever it is, give a notice and remove them. So I think, but there in this case, that the encroacher was already given notice. I don't know why the municipality was dragging over this for more than 1 year, and they can immediately pass final order and have it removed. No court will give a stay to any encroacher on public road. So I'm glad that we have been able to manage to move forward, and I do hope that everything can work out. Kityaq part 2 amche kiteं, we are having VOP, which is vehicular overpass. Vehicular overpass will come up at the Peden junction. Peden junction or Sazalia junction, there's going to be an overpass over it. So you understand how it will work. So that will remain there, and there will be an overpass over it. So that has already been announced by the Union Minister for Roads, and the DPR is being prepared. Once that gets approved, we will have that tendered and the work will commence. I hope that will commence by soon after the monsoons. I hope that the whole work can commence. So I think this is a major victory for us, and I think it's for the people of MAPSA, both sides of the thing, because तूं जाणा पेडें जंक्शना पासून आमचे भुरगे येतात फेडपाक, आवय बापूय वतात, आमगे ह्या सायडीनसून इस्कलाक वतात, हॉस्पिटलां वतात, एम्ब्युलन्स येतात, लोकांक त्रास जातले. पण सो आय एम ग्लॅड दॅट दिस इज वर्कड आउट a little bit to the satisfaction. We will see how far it can go after the trial.
देखो रेलवे सिग्नल तुम्ही आता यूज करता ट्रायल बेसिस, दिस विल नॉट हॅपन लाईक मिरसी नो.
So some inconvenience is bound to happen. You can't say that the moment you put a stop, lines are touched. But it is not like on tamna anting accident data. Please understand this. If you try to do, everybody cannot be made happy, as I said in the beginning. There is somewhere somebody has to suffer some inconvenience. आम्ही स्पीड ब्रेकर घायल्लो थिंगा तुमी जाणा ते रंबलर आशिल्लो मागीर कोण बोबाड केला आमकां न्हीद पडना आमगे आवाज येता डाडा डाडा येता म्हण आनी तो रंबलर काडलो मागीर गाडी फास्ट येवपाक लागली आनी मागीर थिंगाय प्रॉब्लम जावपाक लागलो. So these accidents which were not happening before started happening, though we didn't have major accidents. And if you look very carefully, accidents happened before that junction, after the junction, except one accident few days back, two people trying to go at the same time, one got jammed into the other, but no fatality. So these kind of things which happen, maybe one stray case which may have happened, but otherwise generally we have not had fatal accidents at the junction, but we should not wait for it to happen. Our remedy should not be accident zalo, bridge padlo magi samko roitle bridge. It's not like that. So poile we should take care, and then we can get a solution in the better interest and the good interest of all.
Sir, 8 minutes time you suggested to reduce?
Yeah, it will not be 8 minutes, this I will tell you also. That's why the traffic cell, the NH division, the RTO, and they will all work. These are in the enforcement agencies will work to ensure the synchronization will be of lesser duration, and they have that system. They are experts. They know where you can release the traffic. Sometimes you allow the traffic to go, let us say, coming from district hospital, going right down to Karaswada. You will allow that free flow. Why would that be blocked? But no crossing over. You understand it? So this way, I think there can be a solution which can go. See, because one or two people get upset, one or two people get worked up. It's not this thing where you stop the entire city is held to ransom or the state is held to ransom. But I think they also, whoever have these issues, I think they will look at it in a broader perspective, and they will, because many people are all cooperative with me. I'll tell you this. Even those who are residing there, all asking, please do something, otherwise it's becoming like a nonsense. It's very easy to take a video, but you don't know what runs behind and the problems which we are facing every day. Korpa.
So when this trial basis will start?
The moment they get the electric connection, they will inform the authorities and they will start it. One request the DYSP, Sandesh Shudankar, has made has been start the trial initially on a non-busy day, like a Saturday, Sunday, so that it should not have that we are stuck up with all this when you're doing on a busy day. So you start there and then continue. So we have decided that it should be like a 4-5 days trial, and then we will review